Welcome to Virtual Gardening 101. This is Jason, your virtual gardener. I've been working around plants since I was a child. I am not really formally trained in horticulture, but I've acquired the skills through practice, and I feel it's a calling. My main goal for this channel is to provide a place where people can come and equip themselves with the information that I bring to the platform and use it to enrich their gardening experiences. I also want the channel to become a community where people can share their knowledge and the experience because we learn from each other. I was very intentional in the choice of the tagline. This is a place where we dig into the digital soil and reap real results, because all the information I've brought so far and that which is to come will be in vain if my audience is not able to apply the knowledge I'm passing on in their gardening experiences and creating meaningful change. If you have not yet joined the Virtual Gardening 101 family, I must tell you, you're missing out on a lot.